Hello and welcome to this new video in which I will show you how to back up your Raspberry Pi, or in this instance Domoticz, with Duplicati, which is an easy to use graphical backup software. And we first log into our Raspberry Pi with Domoticz, and we log in by SSH with PuTTY. Then I will put a link to this article in the description, and this one explains in detail on how to install Duplicati and make a backup. So first we will just select all of these commands and paste them in one by one. So first sudo apt install monocomplete CA certificates. I already installed it, so it says already at the newest version. If you install it, this may take some time. And then we will sudo certificate sync to sync up our certificates. And if it's completed, now that's done. Then we are going to copy the Duplicati GitHub page by wget, and we will just download the full GitHub repository. And if that's done, we will just install Duplicati. I have already installed mine, so it's done quickly, but this may take some time for you. If you are missing some dependencies, install missing dependencies like that. I don't think I have, because I already installed it. Now we need to configure the service file. I have already made mine, but you can just copy paste this command and you will be greeted by an empty file, and you have to copy and paste this text into the window, and then Ctrl X and Y for the confirmation that you want to save it. Then we need to configure the init script file. I've already done that, but you need to make sure that you add the last line over here to the file. Your file will look like this except for the daemon opts, and you need to add that line. So just copy and paste that, Ctrl X, Y, exit, and then just copy and paste all of these commands to make sure your Duplicati is up and running. Then we need to go to our Raspberry Pi's IP address, which is my case 192.168.11, and we need to do :8200. So once you have configured Duplicati, go to the IP address :8200 and then add a backup, new backup, click next, give it a name, and the encryption. I want to say about that, if you need your backup, you mostly are in a hurry, stressed, you forget your backup, your encryption key. I don't use encryption because I store my backups in a safe place. I assume you do that too. If you do, you don't need any encryption, and it will save you from a lot of hassle when you need your backup. We go to next, and we can select our backup target, which is, if you just use a USB stick, it will be listed over here. Something else you can choose from this whole list, to backup to. If you go to the next, we can select our, the folder we want to back up. We need to go to Home, Pi, and then Domoticz. We will check that box, then Domoticz will be backed up. We can go to the next, select our backup plan, when we want Duplicati to run the backup. I will just leave it on default. And then we select our volume size of 3 gigs. And the retention of 14 days. We don't need any more of that, and it will save a lot of space. We can save it now, and then we are over here at Domoticz. My backup has already ran 6 times, so if I want to recover it, I will go to recover, I will tick this box, go to the next, it will get everything, and I can just recover when I need it. One quick note, if you back up, check in your Domoticz settings if automatic backup is enabled. You need this enabled, otherwise it won't work, because this will create a automatic copy of your database once a day, and you need that copy to backup because you cannot backup the live Domoticz database. So that's one quick side note. I hope this was useful, and I hope to see you in the next video.